Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. This is going to be a quick one. We're going to do a couple quick ones on the some lip products that I purchased from Wish, that I also have a legitimately purchased one from either Ulta or Sephora. This one I believe might actually have been Costco. Anyway, as you can tell, if you have ever seen these before, these are the EOS lip balm things. They kind of look like a little egg. And you'll open them up and they just have this dome shape. I usually use one of these at night. I keep one actually on my nightstand so I can put it on, because I do use, as you know, matte lipstick that dries down so it's not transferring, because you know I do like to kiss my husband and he doesn't like to wear makeup. Funny that. So if I have anything on my lips, even this stuff that comes off on his, he doesn't like it. So I make sure to get my smooches in and then put this on. But I did run across on Wish, obviously, they're also selling EOS. Now, I just unwrapped it had like a little cellophane wrap around it that also had the ingredients and the EOS name. So you can see it's got it stamped into, if I can get it to focus, that'd be awesome. There we go. It's stamped into the top of the little egg shape, just like the one purchased here. I have not opened it yet, so let's see if it's that same little dome shape. Oh, that looks way different. So it's a lot bigger. The packaging feels like super cheap. I don't know. There's some like weird stuff inside the lid. Like it looks like, if you can see those like dark patches. And it's like lumpy and weird. So let's hold these up here side by side. And this is one that I have. This is the one that I purchased, like I said, I think possibly at Costco, because they sell them in packs of like 5. And then the one from Wish. So come on. So US purchased, Wish purchased. I believe that the similarity ends at the packaging. I do not think I'm going to use this because I don't trust that kind of dirty looking. I mean, it had the cellophane wrap around it. It was sealed, but ew. Maybe if I wipe it off. I don't know. I'll think about it between now and when I actually get to editing the video, and I'll let you know if I decided to brave it or not. But then the other thing on this is the size, and the one purchased here is slightly bigger than the one purchased from Wish. As you can see, the product on the inside seemed to be a lot bigger. It's just weird. It smells okay. I mean, it smells like lip balm, and it seems to close and click pretty strongly. I mean, they smell fairly similar. I don't know. I'll think about it. But yeah, this is just a quick one of, hey, they do have EOS on Wish, or at least what looks like EOS from the outside. And yeah, I'll debate with myself later and let you know if I actually decided to brave it on my mouth or not. But that's it. Just a quick one. We're going to do another quick one here in a minute. You'll see that one hopefully up fairly around the same time, because it should only take like a couple of minutes to get this, you know, edited and rendered and whatnot. So anyway, that's it for this one. You have a fantastic day. If you like the video, like the video. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in another video very soon.